Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys in my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Tecno mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show you guys Tecno mobile guys system navigation setting. How to use, how to on Tecno mobile system navigation one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Tecno mobile phone setting to use system navigation setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. Friends, in your Tecno mobile, open your phone, system setting. Last option friends, click here system setting. After turn on system setting friends, click here system navigation option. And friends, you want to use 3 button navigation, you can on 3 button navigation. You want to use gesture navigation, you can on gesture navigation. So friends, I will click here gesture navigation setting. After 5 seconds guys, gesture navigation setting will on in Tecno mobile. And friends, we cannot use 3 button navigation in Tecno mobile, and you can use gesture settings. And friends, how to use gesture settings, you don't know how to use. So friends, right side you can swipe, you can use back button, and left side if you swipe, so you can use back button. Friends, you want to go to your home screen page, when swipe you can go to your home screen page. And friends, recent app you want to check, you want to close, so when hold here and you can check recent app, you can open recent app, and you can close your recent app. So like that friends, you can use gesture settings. And friends, you can try your gesture settings. Friends, click here gesture navigation. Friends, click here gesture tutorial setting. Friends, swipe here left side, perfect. Right side swipe, you can use back button, perfect. And friends, pause here and you can check recent app, you can close your recent app. And if you swipe here friends, you can go to your home screen page, perfect. And friends, if you guys swipe here, you can change screen. And friends, if you swipe here, so you can on voice assistant setting. Swipe here how to activate voice assistant, hello Google. Like that friends, you can use voice assistant setting. So like that friends, we can use gesture settings. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.